Chapter 2. Computer and its parts. Learning objectives. In this chapter, we will learn about the main parts of a computer such as monitor, keyboard and CPU. We will also learn about some other devices which can be connected to a computer to add more functions to the computer. Different parts of our body work together to help our body function properly. Similarly, a computer also has different parts. These parts perform different functions. They together make up computer system. हमारे शरीर के अलग-अलग अंग मिलकर हमारे शरीर को सही तरीके से काम करने में मदद करते हैं। इसी तरह कंप्यूटर के भी अलग-अलग हिस्से होते हैं। ये हिस्से अलग-अलग काम करते हैं। ये सब मिलकर एक कंप्यूटर सिस्टम बनाते हैं। We have read about the 4 main parts of a computer in our previous class. Let us revise these parts and learn about some other important parts of a computer. हमने अपनी पिछली कक्षा में कंप्यूटर के 4 मुख्य भागों के बारे में पढ़ा है। आइए इन भागों को दोहराएं और कंप्यूटर के कुछ अन्य महत्वपूर्ण भागों के बारे में जानें। Main parts of a computer. Monitor. A monitor looks like television. But this is not a TV. It shows what we do on the computer. When we press a key on the keyboard or use our mouse, these actions are also shown on the monitor. A monitor is also called as VDU, Visual Display Unit. कंप्यूटर के मुख्य भाग. मॉनिटर एक टेलीविजन की तरह दिखता है, लेकिन यह टीवी नहीं है। यह दिखाता है कि हम कंप्यूटर पर क्या करते हैं। जब हम कीबोर्ड पर कोई कुंजी दबाते हैं या अपने माउस का उपयोग करते हैं, तो ये क्रियाएं मॉनिटर पर भी दिखाई देती हैं। मॉनिटर को VDU, विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट, भी कहा जाता है। CPU, the CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the most important part of a computer. This is a box with computer circuits inside it. It does all the tasks that we want the computer to do. It controls all the other parts and hence called the brain of the computer. Like a brain, it also processes and stores the work in its memory. CPU, Central Processing Unit, कंप्यूटर का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है। यह एक बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर कंप्यूटर के सर्किट होते हैं। यह वे सभी कार्य करता है जो हम चाहते हैं कि कंप्यूटर करे। यह अन्य सभी भागों को नियंत्रित करता है और इसलिए इसे कंप्यूटर का मस्तिष्क कहा जाता है। हमारे मस्तिष्क की तरह यह भी काम को प्रोसेस करता है और अपनी मेमोरी में स्टोर करता है। माउस. A mouse is an input device which usually has 2 buttons and a small wheel between the buttons. It is used to select objects by clicking. We can scroll up and down, draw and paint on computer with the help of the mouse. The mouse moves on the pad called the mouse pad. माउस एक इनपुट डिवाइस है जिसमें आम तौर पर 2 बटन होते हैं और बटनों के बीच एक छोटा पहिया होता है। इसका उपयोग क्लिक करके ऑब्जेक्ट को चुनने के लिए किया जाता है। हम माउस की मदद से कंप्यूटर पर ऊपर नीचे स्क्रॉल कर सकते हैं, चित्र बना सकते हैं और पेंटिंग कर सकते हैं। माउस पैड पर चलता है जिसे माउस पैड कहते हैं। कीबोर्ड. A keyboard is used for typing words or numbers. We can also use a keyboard to give instructions to the computer. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. कीबोर्ड का इस्तेमाल शब्दों या संख्याओं को टाइप करने के लिए किया जाता है। हम कंप्यूटर को निर्देश देने के लिए भी कीबोर्ड का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। कीबोर्ड पर मौजूद बटन को कुंजियां कहते हैं। Some other parts of a computer. There are many other parts that can be attached to the computer. Let us learn about them. Printer. A printer is used to print the information stored in a computer on paper. The printed copy on paper is called a printout or hard copy. It can print in black and white or in color, depending on what kind of printer you use. Scanner. A scanner does the opposite work of printer. It copies the pictures or document from paper onto the computer. Speakers and headphones. We use speakers and headphones to listen to music stored in the computer. They are the mouth of computer and help to speak or talk to you. Speakers give out loud sound. We can listen to music without disturbing others. Only the person who is wearing it can hear the music or recorded sound. Microphone. Microphone is used to record the voice and other different sounds into the computer. Hard disk drive. Hard disk is located inside the CPU cabinet. It is used to store all our work. We save our work as a file on the hard disk. It can store lot of data. It is also called memory of the computer. Pen drive. It is very small in size and very light in weight. It is used to store and transfer data files from a computer. It can be carried in a pocket. We put pen drive inside the USB port of the CPU box. It is also called USB flash drive. Magnetic disks. Magnetic disks are flat circular plates of metal or plastic, coated on both sides with iron oxide. Input signals, which may be audio, video, or data, are recorded on the surface of a disk as magnetic patterns or spots in spiral tracks by a recording head while the disk is rotated by a drive unit. SD card. A secure digital SD card is a removable storage device that's used to store and transfer digital data. UPS. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. When electricity goes off, UPS keeps the computer on. This gives us time to finish and save our work properly on a computer. Pen tablet. It is also called graphic tablet. It is an input device which is used to hand draw images, animations and graphics, with a special pen called stylus. A computer is an electronic machine that works on electricity. It performs a number of tasks for us like solving sums, doing assignments, etc. It makes our work easier and faster. Quick review. Different parts of the computer make up the computer system. The main parts of a computer are the monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Monitor shows what we do on the computer. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. A printer prints our work on paper. A microphone is used to record the voice and other sounds. When electricity goes off, UPS keeps the computer on.